to make best of these 2 years that you have here. ये 2 साल में आप जो करोगे, that will decide as to what you will do for rest of your life. कि ये 2 साल में आप ऐसा कुछ करें, ये 2 साल को इतना बढ़िया तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें कि आप not only you become an asset for yourself, for your family, for your institute, for the society, but also you become an asset for the whole country. You should be able to add value to the economy of this country, and that is what we should do. 7 sutras, 7 things that you and I need to ensure that we make best of this opportunity, best of these 2 years that we have.
Understand one lesson very clearly in your life, and that is तुम उस लक्ष्य को कभी भेद सकते नहीं जिस लक्ष्य को तुम देख सकते नहीं. You can never hit a target that you can never see. So the first and foremost thing that you and I need to make best use of these 2 years, friends, is a goal. So the first thing that we need is the goal. Be clear about your goal. The second thing that you need, or second and third and fourth thing that you need, you already have it actually. Those are your most precious assets. Please remember, this breath that you and I take is the most precious thing that you and I have, because you and I and everyone on this earth is there only till the time the breath is there. The moment this breath is gone, that person is also gone. Yes or no? Second asset that every one of us has is our body. Are you with me? The 2 years that you will pass here, spend here, is take care of your body. This body is the second most precious asset that the God has given to every one of us. Please remember, 70, 80, 90, 100 साल जो भी आप इस दुनिया में निकालेंगे, इस बॉडी में निकालेंगे, और जितनी ये बॉडी आपकी स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगी, उतनी आप ज़्यादा ऊंचाइयों को छू सकेंगे, और जितनी आपकी बॉडी फ्रेल होगी, आपकी हेल्थ फ्रेल होगी, उतनी ज़्यादा लाइफ आपकी डिफिकल्ट होगी. The fourth thing is subconscious, power of subconscious. We do only those things in life that we remember. Are you with me everybody? समझ रहे हैं क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं? हम जीवन में क्या करते हैं? हम जीवन में वही काम करते हैं जो कि हमको याद होते हैं. Anything that you want to do, make sure that you remember it. आपको जो भी अपने जीवन में करना है, जो भी आप करना चाहते हो, make sure you remember it. Because only when you remember it, you will do it. Otherwise, you will forget about it actually. You will forget about it, and that is what you should do. So just remember. So number 1 is goal. Number 2 is your breath. Number 3 is everybody. Number 3 is number 4. Okay. What is the 5th thing that you need for taking your life to the highest point? आपको मालूम है कि एग्जाम्स में कौन से बच्चे टॉप करते हैं? Remember, एग्जाम्स में वो बच्चे टॉप नहीं करते जिनके पेरेंट्स को उनको बोलना पड़ता है कि बेटा एग्जाम नजदीक आ रहे हैं, पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ाई करो, पढ़ाई करो. तो फिर एग्जाम में कौन से बच्चे टॉप करते हैं? एग्जाम में वो बच्चे टॉप करते हैं जिनके के पेरेंट्स को बोलना पड़ता है बेटा पढ़ाई बहुत हो गई, अब जरा बाहर खेल के आओ. So why these children top the exam, and they top the exam because they are all self-motivated. Are you with me everybody? They're all self-motivated. Remember, the 6th quality that you will need to well in your life is your ability to deal with people. Yes or no? समझ के लीजिए, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आप सेल्स में हो सकते हैं, आप मार्केटिंग में हो सकते हैं, आप प्रोडक्शन में हो सकते हैं, आप आईटी में हो सकते हैं, आप इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में हो सकते हैं, आप फाइनेंस में हो सकते हैं, आप अकाउंट्स में हो सकते हैं. Doesn't really matter as to what function you are in. Ultimately, you will need to get the work done, and if you have to get the work done, you will need to get it done from the people, and that means what? That means you will need to know how to deal with people. Whether you talk in terms of leadership, talk in terms of anything else, remember, ultimately, आप अपनी जिंदगी में कितना आगे जाओगे, कितनी बड़ी ग्रोथ करोगे, कितने बिजनेस को एक्सपेंड करोगे, वो डिपेंड करेगा कि आप लोगों से काम कितना ले पाते हैं. हाउ आर यू एबल टू गेट द वर्क डन फ्रॉम people. And you know what the last point is? The last point is कि जैसे ही जिराफ, मदर जिराफ बच्चे को जन्म देती है, बच्चा धरती पर गिरता है, और जैसे ही बच्चा धरती पर गिरता है, what the mother giraffe does, the mother giraffe, first thing she does, it gives a hard kick to the newly born child. Who kicks you, remember, is not your enemy.
Do everything possible under the sun in these 2 years to learn as much as you can, to sharpen your personality as much as you can, so that you not only become an asset for yourself, for your family, for the institute, for the society, for the country, but also for the entire humanity. You should be able to bring smiles and cheers on the faces of everyone else.